welcome to my channel, Geotech Tutorial. So this time guys, pag-usapan naman natin ngayon ang pag-set ng top dead compression cylinder. So magsibuna tayo sa number 1 cylinder. So ipakita natin kung paano natin ang setting. Okay, so first is we have to identify the exhaust and intake valve. Yung valve position natin is yung intake at saka exhaust. Every cylinder there is an intake and exhaust. So kung makikita natin yung alignment, yung exhaust manifold naka-align dito, so it means to say na ito yung exhaust valve, and then yung intake valve is naka-align dito, it means na ito yung intake valve. Okay? So this is rocker arm assembly, and then yung valve is ito yung exhaust valve at saka intake valve. Okay? So yung valve arrangement niya is yung exhaust intake, exhaust intake. Okay? Then yung ibang engine, mayroon siyang valve arrangement, iba yung valve arrangement sa 4-key. Doon sa kabila is exhaust intake, exhaust intake, exhaust. So yun ang valve arrangement sa kabilang engine. So pakita mo yung kabilang engine. Yung 4-key, yun ang 4-key, ito tapos balik ito. Ito yung diesel engine na example natin. Alternate lang yung valve arrangement niya. Okay? So yung first procedure is turn the crankshaft. This is the crankshaft. So this is the crankshaft pulley. Turn the crankshaft pulley clockwise direction. Okay? Clockwise direction, and then observe the running mate of the piston number 1. The running mate of piston number 1, this is 4 cylinder, is number 4. Okay, so dito tayo mag-observe. So as you can see the exhaust valve is open. I-set mo siya into valve overlappings. So valve overlaps, the exhaust valve is about to close and the intake valve is beginning to open or about to open. Okay? So as you can see, the movement of the exhaust valve is closing, about to close. Okay? Then the intake valve is beginning to open. That's the time na mag-stop ka. Mag-stop ka, then that is the settings of number 1 cylinder. Okay? So dito ka na mag-check and adjust the valve clearance. So using feeler gauge. So yung goal natin ngayon is setting lang muna, hindi muna tayo mag-check and adjust sa valve clearance. So next video naman yung checking and adjusting the valve clearance. Next naman isa-set natin is number 3. I-set naman natin yung number 3 into top dead compression stroke. The running mate of number 3 is number 2. So dito tayo mag-observe. So pabalik-balik pa rin yung scenario. So yung exhaust valve naka-opening. Turn the crankshaft pulley clockwise direction. Okay. Tapos mag-wait ka na mag-valve overlapping. Valve overlapping is yung exhaust valve is about to close, and then yung intake valve naman ang mag-open. Slightly open lang ulit. Yan. Okay? So as you can see, the exhaust valve is about to close, and then the intake valve is about to open or beginning to open. Then stop the rotation of the crankshaft, and then the setting is on number 3 cylinder. Okay? So makikita natin naka-rest na yung number 3 cylinder. That's the time na mag-check and adjust na rin ka sa valve clearance. So yung valve clearance natin is always refer to manufacturer specification. Iba-ibang engine, iba-iba yung valve clearance niya. Okay? Next naman na isetting natin is yung firing order kasi nito is 1, 3, 4 to. So next na mag-firing is number 4. So ito naman yung iset natin. Running mate of number 4 is number 1. Okay, dito tayo mag-observe naman ulit. Ganun pa rin yung scenario. Nakikita natin yung exhaust valve is opening, and then nakikita natin na going to close na ang exhaust valve, and then mag-open naman si intake valve. Yan. Nakikita natin na nag-slightly open na si intake valve. That's the time na mag-stop ka sa rotation. Then the number 4 is set on top dead compression stroke. Okay? So dito naman mag-check and adjust sa valve clearance. Okay? Actually maraming technique sa pag-adjust ng valve clearance. Yung pinakita ko lang sa inyo is yung basic para maintindihan natin yung operation ng apat na cylinder. So, last na isetting natin is number 2 cylinder. Running mate of number 2 cylinder is number 3. So, dito naman tayo mag-observe sa number 3 cylinder. Ganun pa rin yung operation. Pabalik-balik lang. Number 3 cylinder. The exhaust valve is opening. And then, pabalik na siya sa closing position. That's the time na si intake the valve, si intake stroke naman ang pag matapos na si exhaust stroke, si intake naman ang yan, stop ka. Okay, the number 2 cylinder is ready for checking or adjusting the valve clearance. Okay, so I hope na may natutunan kayo sa ating video na to. So don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.